Hello tech lovers. In Windows 11, the date and time format defaults to the original format you have set during the Windows setup. If you want to change the date format to MDY, DMY or another format you prefer and time format to 12-hour or 24-hour clock in Windows 11, here's how to do it.
Bandhan Cement, नेपाल गुणस्तर चिन्ह प्राप्त साथ प्रविधि र गुणस्तरको
This method helps you to manually modify the time along with the date, calendar, and even the first day of the week one by one, with no impact on any of the parameters. You can even change the individual date and time format while ignoring the original format. Follow the instructions to change the time format to 12 or 24 hours. Press the Windows I key together on keyboard to open the Settings tab. In the Settings window, click on Time and Language on the left side of the pane. Now, navigate to the right side and click on Language and Region. On the next screen, scroll down and click on the Regional Format sections on the right side. Now, click on the Change Formats button below it. Then go to the Start Time field and click on the drop-down next to it. Select the time format with AM or PM to set it as per the 12-hour format. For the 24-hour formats, select time format with no AM or PM next to it. In this way, we can successfully change the time format to 12 or 24-hour format in Windows 11. As you change the original format, it will automatically apply the changes to the windows and the program that use the same original format, and they'll use the date and time based on the change format. Follow the instruction to change the original format, that is date and time, that will be in sync with your current country or region. Right-click on the Start menu and select Settings. In the Settings window, click on the Time and Language options on the left side of the pane. Now, on the right side, click on Language and Region. Next, on the right side, scroll down and under the Region section, go to Regional Format and click on drop down below it. Select your preferred region from the list. Once you have changed the regional format, you should relaunch any open apps for the formatting change to be effective. However, the date and time is immediately effective and should be seen on the taskbar of your Windows 11 PC. This is the times-tested method and has been in use since the previous version of Windows. Here is how to change the time format using the control panel. Press the Windows R key together on your keyboard to open the Run command window. Type Ctrl.exe in the search bar and hit Enter in Run command window to open the control panel. In the control panel window, go to the upper right side and select Category from the drop-down menu next to it. Now, click on Region in the Clock and Region window on the right side. Then in the Region dialog box, under the Format tab, go to the Date and Time Format section. Here, go to the Start Time field and from the drop-down, select the 12 or 24-hour format based on your requirement. For instance, if you want to select 24-hour format, you can select HHMM format or HHMT for 12-hour format. Press Apply and then OK to save the changes and exit. Similarly, you can change the long time format based on your needs. For 24-hour format, select HHMSS, and for 12-hour format, select HHMSST. So that is how you can change the time format to 12 or 24-hour format on your Windows 11 PC. These were some quick working methods to change the dates and time format in Windows 11 machines. I hope this helps you a lot. Anyway, which of the above ways do you prefer? Let me know in the comment below. Stay tuned for more.